Charles Seed for People's Ford, and you join us in Liverpool because I'm going to be taking out Sarah Sanderson. She's a local mover and shaker in Liverpool. She's fashion designer, writes for the local paper. She does lots of different things. I'm going to be taking her out in the brand new Mustang Mach-E Ford's first all electric, super stylish, amazing range. Let's go and do it. So, hey. Sarah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm not bad. So, how are you doing? How's it been going? It's good?
Yeah, it's going good. It's a lovely day in Liverpool. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, it is good to see you again. How are things? What have you been up to recently?
Just working really. Do a bit of writing. I've recently done a collection for charity. Just loads of stuff.
Yeah.
Basically walking my dog.
Walking your dog.
Walking my dog.
Yeah. What do you think? Do you like it?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so stylish.
Yeah.
And it's so minimalist, isn't it? It's really minimalist, aside from this huge control panel
it's like
in the middle.
something from Star Wars or something like that.
That's three iPads.
Yeah. But do you know, it's lovely furniture. You know, you got the vegan leather.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you've got your dog, you've got the big boot.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there's a front boot as well in this car, which is mental.
Extra space, no engine. I'm going to show you today all the good parts.
You're going to show me your favourite parts?
Yes, we are.
All right, cool.
Ready?
Yeah. Click it on. How we found it driving it? What are we on? We're on Whisper?
So comfortable.
We're on Whisper mode, so we're on the quiet mode.
So quiet.
It's very quiet.
Can't hear anything, can you?
Chairs are comfy as well,
So comfy. Vegan leather.
Vegan leather.
It's nice trim as well.
Yeah, is it?
So, oh, I like that it's automatic, you know.
Do you know what I think is really cool? Is all the little things. So like, your wireless charging pad down there for your phone. So you're not messing around with like 20 different wires. It's literally just in there. It's done. You're good. The electric display.
Yeah.
It's like clear. It does feel like you're in the future. Eh?
Oh, definitely. It's probably the most comfortable and luxurious car I've ever used.
It's a crazy looking church, eh?
That's the cathedral.
Is it?
We call it Paddy's Wigwam. Yeah.
You call it Paddy's Wigwam?
That's what it's called.
That is it's mad looking, isn't it? Try out this parking then.
Yeah. Parks itself.
Yeah, it's called Active Park Assist, and it it'll sense where you're on the road, and it'll park itself. Right.
So there's a space there.
There's a space
big enough for us. We just need to let the car know that we fancy that space, right?
Yeah. So you go past the space here.
Yeah, as you would.
Yeah. And
it's found.
It's found it there.
Yeah.
And now we're switching into neutral.
Okay.
And then all you have to do is just hold that park button.
Okay.
And look at that.
Whoa.
So you don't even have to use your hands or anything. And it'll perfectly do it for you.
That's better than I could do it.
Yeah. And I'm not even joking, it'll do like the tightest spaces. It's actually so cool. But
what if someone's coming past us and stop?
Yeah. So if someone's coming past, it'll warn it, and then it'll stop, and then make sure the hazard's passed. There we go. But look at that, it's absolutely nailed it.
It's like Knight Rider.
It is like it's like Knight Rider.
Wow, I feel like James Bond.
It's cool. It is cool though, isn't it?
Have you seen the new Bond?
I have seen the new Bond.
I've got a theory about golden retrievers. They've got the best reputation of all dogs. You see a golden retriever and you're like, he's a good boy.
Yeah.
Whereas my ginormous black greyhound, everyone's like, until they get to know him. Golden retriever, there's only
who doesn't like a golden retriever?
There's only good thoughts about golden retrievers. There's
golden
never
retriever
any hesitation.
and Labradoodle.
Yes.
Yeah. And
what? My dog was attacked by a cockapoo.
oh, what?
Would you believe it?
Yeah.
So you can't trust them all.
No. So what? That's 88%. So that's still 214 miles.
That's far.
That's a good amount of range, you know.
That's like a foot. That's like half a tank on my car.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
So you could drive to like Anglesey.
Yeah, easy. But what's really good is like, so you can get 73 miles in 10 minutes of charge if you take it to a high.
For 10 minutes.
10 minutes and you'll go up 73 miles.
God. That's incredible.
So it makes like longer journeys, you know, if you were doing longer journeys, it makes them a lot more doable, you know?
Yeah, because of course you're going to stop for more than 10 minutes and have a coffee.
Yeah, you're going to stop, have a coffee, 73 miles, that'll take you.
Amazing.
Yeah, for sure.
So that's us just back from our whirlwind trip around Liverpool, and it was really nice to see Sarah again, and it was really impressive
to see the Mustang Mach-E out in action. Now, if this video has interested you at all in going electric or getting a Mustang Mach-E, then make sure you head over to the People's Ford website or come and visit us in one of our showrooms. Our friendly staff would be more than happy to help you for your next car buying journey.